Welcome back to Math Solver 1117, where math become easy and fun. In today's video, we will solve a very interesting Olympiad math problem, that is x cube equals triple 3 cube plus triple 4 cube plus triple 5 cube. You have to find the value of x. So we will start this question as, first of all, we can write this as x cube equals 3 times 3 can be write as triple 1 multiply by 3 and whole cube, plus this can be write as triple 3 multiply 4 whole cube, and this can be write as triple 1 into multiply 5 cube. Now in the next step we will write this as triple 1 cube into 3 cube. We have to split the power, and triple 1 cube into 4 cube and triple 1 cube into 5 cube. Now we can take triple 1 cube as common from this. So remaining is 3 cube plus 4 cube plus 5 cube. So we get 3 cube means 3 multiply 3 times, and 4 cube means 4 multiply 3 times, and 5 cube means 5 multiply 3 times. That implies triple 1 cube, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 4 4s are 16, 16 into 4 is 64, 5 5s are 25 into 125. So this will equals triple 1 cube into 216. Now we will take the LCM of 216. So when we divide this by 6, we get 6 3s are 18, and then 18 minus 21 minus 18 is 3. So 3 into 6 36. So 6 6 are 36, and then 6 1s are 6. That means we will write this as 11 cube into 6 cube. Now we will solve this further here. We get triple 1 cube into 6 cube. Now we will join the power, triple 1 multiply 6 whole cube. So this is triple 6 cube. Now we have to find the value of x only. So take cube root on both sides. That means x cube power is 1 by 3 and triple 6 power is 1 by 3, which implies x equal triple 6. So this is the answer. If you have not subscribed Math Solver 1117, subscribe Math Solver 1117, because in this channel you will find the complete solution of many Olympiad math problems, many national and international maths exam. If you found this video helpful, best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.